folks. Good morning. Welcome to Holiday Park. You reach the beautiful. All the roof in the cage made of lightweight aircraft grade aluminum, so you know most of the weight's coming from the twin Chevrolet V8 502 engines I'm sitting next to back here. Hopefully I'll clear it, but don't worry. Like I was saying at the dock, the majority of the stuff you're going to see on this boat is going to be along the sides and the edges. To sea, at least the subspecies only goes about 5 to 10 miles out tops. They tend to stick more inland. That's why you can see right